try once again. I have no good news for you. I'm so sorry. I have no information that you are rebooked on the next possible flight. That this is evening or tomorrow. So you have to check your booking. I'm so sorry. I know. I have to say you get the next flight is this evening in 1 hour, in 2 hours. But it's a lie. I'm so sorry for this. But nevertheless, also your luggage is not possible to offload. Even this, yes, even this, I know, normally if you have stones, please don't touch me, okay? But I would understand it, okay? But I'm only the one with this bad information. And so, what can you do? What can you do? In the meantime, Lufthansa will rebook you, so check it by email or the messenger. Okay, and you can book your hotel by your own. Lufthansa's contingent is exhausted. We have no hotels anymore. So you, please, you can submit the bills and the receipts to lufthansafeedback.com. I know this is not a good possibility, but it's the only thing I can tell to you. Sorry.